Hey guys, Ryan with Crutchfield Automotive, working on a Yukon. This one being a 2014, and as you can tell by the thumbnail what we did to it. Actually, we didn't break the mirror, but mirror. We're going to be replacing the driver's side. This should be the same process for the Sierra, the Silverados, any of them with this style mirror. This one's been hit, it's loose, no cap. First thing is from inside the car. This cover's got to come off. If you've got a trim tool, try not to break it. Boom. Sorry, you may miss most of that, but take your trim tool, get one behind it, pop that off. I think I can access, yeah. If you want to remove the door panel, you can. I'm just gonna use a wrench. I got 1, 2, 3. Those look to be 10 millimeters. And then we've got this plug. So I'm gonna see if I can fish it out without having to remove the door panel. I may not be able to. Actually, I probably will have to at least remove the controls, because that's where they are for the mirrors. So that at least may fish out from here, but this will also pop up pretty easily. So trim tool, pop this up. The plug should be in here that I can fish out to take this mirror off. But I'm gonna take these 3 bolts, and then I'm gonna have it loose. I'm gonna pull this up and get that off. All right, so the little plug will be right here. You're going to fish it out. I did end up removing this 10 millimeter. There's a little cover to pop it off, 10 millimeters, so that I can kind of pop the door out. Oh, there went my, maybe it went all the way to the bottom. You can lose one of those 10 millimeters, so be careful. But once those are through and your pigtail is free, you can then, see if we can do it with one hand. Oh. Can't do it with one hand, but they're, anyway, pull this mirror off and you're gonna push the new one on. You're gonna reverse that process. I'm gonna let you see what it looks like with it back on. And one last note on the removal. There it is. Let's see. Can you see that clip in there? It's just a little pressure clip. Take your trim tool. You're gonna need it and you'll pop that off. That's why I couldn't get it with one hand. I forgot that was there. So trim tool, oops, sorry. Trim tool, pop it off. New mirror. All right, new one is on. I have tightened it down, all 3. Run the wire back through the door panel and down. And this one came a little bit more fancy than the other. The other one did not have the blinker on it. This one does. So you got a white plug and a black plug, not just the black plug for the heated. So heated, and it's got the blinker and power and everything else. So all of this is tucked back in. I'll clean that up in a moment. All of this gets pushed back. 10 millimeter back here, cover back over. Finally, this cover, and boom, you have what hopefully is a functioning mirror. Hey guys. Anyway, hopefully that helps you and gets you back on the road with a better looking mirror, just like this one. Now I've got 2 matching silver capped mirrors on a silver GMC, and I can sell it. So catch you on the next one. Hope this helps.